Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y36 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select security and here mark fingerprint. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern. So just enroll the pattern that you want to use, select next and then re-enter it just to confirm. Now select the lock screen content. I would like to hide all notifications. Tap on done and then click on enroll. So here you've got the sensor on your power button. All you have to do is to keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. So just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor till it is fully done. And that's it, just tap on done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. You can also use the backup pattern. So that is all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.